Picture this Reddit rant from our Daytrading. Just blew my fifth prop firm eval. Post-CPI whipsaws, overleveraged at 50 to 1. Tiny wicks wipe my whole account. FML. I'm done. Pause. I see you. Staring at your screen right now. 5 indicators cluttering your chart. RSI, MACD, order blocks, ICT lines, all in choppy hell. Overleveraged 50 to 1, heart pounding. Tiny wicks slicing your account to pieces. You're scared to pull the trigger on winners, but FOMO hits hard. Revenge trades, doubling down to fix it. Adding more lines, switching indicators, anything to feel safe, still losing. I did this too, exactly this, one for a week. Thought I cracked the market, bled 10K in one choppy afternoon. Pause, that cycle ends today. The Zen trader's Stoic scale-back ritual protects your capital forever. No more blowups. You're not alone, I was you. Stick around, this changes everything. You started innocent enough. RSI and MACD, your first love. Those 2 indicators made you feel smart, like you had an edge. But losses came, quick and painful. Pause. So what did you do? Added more lines for safety, Bollinger Bands, moving averages, 10 now. Staring at the screen for hours. This time it'll confirm. Felt secure, right? Wrong, still losing money. Pause. Then the upgrade. Order blocks, ICT concepts, smart money confluences, YouTube binges, late nights redrawing everything. This is it. Precision entries, perfect setups, accounts still gone. Pause. Now the deep cut, choppy markets after news drops. Volatility spikes, then low volume chop, dead range. You overleveraged, big position, this breakout is coming. One tick wrong, daily drawdown smashed, prop eval reset, number 5 this month. Pause. That winning streak though, 1 week green, pure bliss. I cracked the market, posts everywhere, confidence maxed. Then a $200 loss, small, no big deal, right? Revenge hits, double the size, triple in chop. Low volume amplifies it, every tick a dagger, account wiped. Pause. You're smart, degree maybe, job on side. Why me? I know, I did it too. Rage posted the same on forums. The cycle of doom, more tools, more lines, never you. All right, here's the revelation that hit me like a freight train. The market doesn't care about your indicators. It doesn't care about your leverage or the chop. Pause. It doesn't owe you smooth trends. Post-CPI whipsaws? That's just the market being the market. Your lines on the chart? Illusions. Your 100, 1 bets in chop? Pure delusion. I know because I did it too. Stared at my screen for hours, switched indicators like underwear. Cranked leverage and chop thinking this time it's trending. Pause. Then my biggest blow up. I stripped my chart bare, no lines, no BS. Revelation hit, overleveraging isn't bad math. It's you dodging uncertainty. Prop resets, not the market's fault. Yours for greed and chop. That cycle, you know? Wins all week, then blow it all one choppy afternoon. Pause. Time to flip it. Protect capital first, always. Enter the Stoic scale-back ritual. It turns victims into Zen guardians. I did it. My account lives forever now. You can too. But only if you embrace the chop. Pause. The market owes you nothing. Your job, scale back, survive. That's the big flip. All right, let's get deep into your head now. Pause. You know that choppy market, the one where price just whipsaws back and forth, it drives you nuts. You pile on more indicators, RSI, MACD, order blocks, ICT stuff, all those lines to make sense of the chaos. Pause. But you're still cranking the leverage. Why? Because uncertainty terrifies you. Choppy markets scream, no trend here, so you FOMO into bigger bets. One more lot, it'll trend any second. I did it too. Stared at the screen for hours, switched indicators like crazy. Thought more lines meant more control. That cycle you live? Win a week on a lucky trend, feel like a genius. Then chop hits. You revenge trade with double leverage, blow it all in one afternoon. I'm smart, why can't I figure this out? You ask yourself. Pause. It's not smarts, it's your brain. Your brain hates uncertainty. It craves dopamine hits from quick wins. So in chop, tiny moves look huge with over-leverage, illusion of control. Greed whispers sweet lies. Scale up, catch the breakout. Fear of missing out after a reset fuels revenge. I chased those highs, ignored risk every time. Low volume chop? Those micro moves explode your account when leveraged. You feel stupid after, but I felt it too. Here's the Stoic truth. Chop is eternal. The market doesn't owe you trends. Accept it. Pause. Scaling back isn't weakness, it's power. We wire ourselves for complexity. More lines, bigger bets. To hide from simple truth, risk first always. You add lines to feel safe. Crank leverage for the rush, but it destroys you. I know, because that's my rearview mirror. Psych flip. Embrace the chop. Scale back to one lot, tiny risk. Watch your mind freak out at first. That's the real trade. Your brain fights simple, but simple wins. Stoic scale back ritual starts here in your head. I needed this truth years ago. You need it now. Pause. Chop isn't the enemy. Your urge to overcomplicate is. All right, trader, enough pain, enough stories, time for action. Pause. The Stoic scale-back ritual, 3 steps, do them daily. Protect your capital forever. I did this. It worked. Step 1, assess risk stoically, pre-session, right now, before you even boot up the platform. Pause. Ask yourself, is the market choppy, news coming, range-bound? Have your position size immediately. You're staring at the screen right now, lines everywhere. RSI blinking, MACD crossing. You think more lines mean safety. Wrong. Strip the chart, price action only. No indicators, clean, naked. I did this every morning. Chop detected, position size cut in half, no emotion, stoic like a robot. Pause. Your old self, full size into chop. Boom, gone. Not anymore. Step 2, have the leverage, calmly, no panic, demo it live on a generic chart. Pause, watch this, I'm screen sharing now. See this post-news range? 50, 1 leverage, over-levered, 1 fake out, account 0. Now scale back. 10, 1, same setup, tight stop, breathe, it chops, you live, capital safe. Pause, feel that? Power, you control risk, not the market. You switch indicators mid-chop, add lines, pray for breakout. Dumb. I did it. Lost weeks of gains, have leverage first, always. Step 3. Affirm risk first. Journal emotions pre-trade. Pause. Open your notebook. Write. Fear, greed, pause. 1 setup only. Breakout with tight stop. That's it. Screen share demo. Before ritual. Over-levered blow-up. Full size. Greed blind. Red screen. Pause after. Stoic scale back. Half size. 10-1 journaled calm. Green pips protected. Do this daily. Pre-session assess. Have if chop. Strip lines. Journal feels. 1 setup. Pause. I journaled my way out of the cycle. Weeks of wins, no blowups. You can too. Simple, executable, no magic, just discipline. Start tonight, scale back, protect forever, pause. You've got this, I know, because I was you. Close your eyes for a second, pause. Imagine this future, your new reality. Choppy day hits. The market whips around. Lines crisscross your chart like crazy. You, stoic, calm. You scale back hard. Position size tiny or 0, no force. Sip your coffee, scroll your phone, live life, pause. Capital intact, 0 stress, no fear. No more resets, no revenge wipes in one afternoon. Weekly wins compound, slow grind, no nukes. This is simple execution, ritual first, trade second. Stoic scaleback ritual, you run it every morning. Profitable forever because you control risk, not the market. Pause. My story, before. Me like you, over-leveraged, screen staring. Switching indicators, choppy chop, blowups weekly. After, $50K prop pass. This ritual saved me. Choppy days, scaled back, clear days, took them, passed clean. Yours next, I know you feel it. I traded scared, now zen. Boring is beautiful. Protected capital is freedom. No cycles, weekly peace. You needed this today, go build it. Pause. All right, listen up. Pause. Stop chasing magic indicators. Stop hunting for that perfect leverage. You know what I'm talking about. You crank it up to 10x, stare at the screen, wait for the lines to align, and boom, account wrecked in choppy water. I did it too. Every time. Look in the mirror right now. Pause. The problem is not the market, not the chop. It's you. Me too back then. Over-leveraged. Indicator switching like a maniac. Heart racing. FOMO screaming. But here's the truth. The fix is dead simple. Download my free Stoic Scaleback checklist right below this video. Print it out. Make it your ritual. Before every trade, check it off. Scale back leverage. Wait out the chop. Protect that capital forever. Prop evals, you'll crush them. No more failing at 90%. Choppy markets, conquered, no revenge trades, no blowing up, just stoic, boring wins. I escaped that cycle. You will too. I promise. Comment scale back below if you're in. Right now, type it. Hit send. Join the tribe that's breaking free. Pause. You've been stuck too long, staring at screens till 2 a.m., adding lines for safety, over-leveraging to feel alive. Enough. Subscribe for weekly Zen rituals. 1 simple tool each time. No fluff, no courses, just what works. Because I know your pain. The weekly wins, then 1 bad afternoon, gone. We fix that together. Trade stoic, live free. Scale back today, protect forever. You've got this. I did. See you in the comments. Pause. Peace. End screen holds for 10 seconds. Free Stoic scale back checklist link prominent. Recap clip of Rant. Trader stripping chart lines. Subscribe bell. Comment prompt.